Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to our channel today. And today we're gonna be showing you a car that is heavily used and also abused in a way that this car doesn't have a permanent garage, so it's always exposed to the elements. If you notice, we normally shoot our videos inside the shop, but today we want to show you a car outside of our shop right before we clean it. So the objective of the video is to basically show you how dirty the car is and to show you that even though there are watermark streaks, a lot of dust and mud together, we want to showcase how easy it is to clean a coated vehicle compared to a non-coated vehicle. So we have here about a 4-year-old car today. Late last year we did our maintenance using our Modesta products, and the car is used every day. You'll see that there are a lot of bird droppings, a lot of leaves, dead leaves, more bird droppings, watermarks. You see that this car is heavily soiled. Normally when you have an uncoated vehicle, especially on a black car, you would see that these bird droppings, after you wash the car, there's a residue that's stuck. Sometimes it goes inside your clear coat. You'd have to paint it to get it back to looking new, but I'm confident that our coatings will make sure that there's no tree sap or bird dropping burn on your coating or on the car itself. You'll see that inside it's also quite on the dirty side. You'll have floor mats that are dirty. You'll have pet dander. You'll also have a lot of dirt underneath. So the beauty with it is, having your car maintained and coated with us. We make sure that you just use, and then you can do all the abusing and we take care of the rest. So as you've seen in our previous video, or what we showed you, this FJ, it's raining a little bit today, but we want to show you the difference of a coated vehicle and how easy it is to clean and how it was cleaned and now rid of all the bird droppings and all the stains from the outside elements. So as you have seen the last video, we had some leaves out here, we had some bird droppings here, we have some stains here and there. So we've proceeded to clean the car thoroughly, and now we're preparing to get it delivered. And so this is the outcome, and this is what you would normally expect from a coated vehicle. So the inside is ready for everyday use again.